All right, so those are live visuals coming in from the BJP headquarters where preparations are underway to receive Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to welcome the Prime Minister at the BJP headquarters. Celebrations underway at the BJP office. Pragya and Kritika are joining us. Pragya, Karyakartas, leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party have started arriving at the headquarters waiting for PM Modi. What time is the Prime Minister expected?
Well, we are expecting that Prime Minister is going to come any time. The time actually given to us is around 6:30. So Prime Minister will be coming here anytime soon. But you can see that they are all seated. There is Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogans that are being chanted. But most interestingly, Swati, look at the painting and the decoration here. Bihar ki Janata ka dhanyavad. But you can see Madhubani painting, you can see Maithili painting here, depicting the traditional folk art and also depicting the Hindu mythology. So this is the essence of Bihar that the BJP is right now giving here from the stage where Prime Minister will be speaking on the results that have come from the state of Bihar. But look at, interestingly, not much has been done, not much decoration has been done right now as far as the flower decoration is concerned, compared to the other elections. But they have ensured that they give message from here, and the message that is given from the stage is that Bihar is just a jhaki, Bengal is still there, and we all need to work there, and we will win Bengal. This is the main war cry that we are seeing here at the BJP headquarters. Be it National General Secretary Mr. Dushyant Gautam, be it Delhi Chief Mr. Virendra Sachdeva, or be it Union Minister Mr. Giriraj Singh. Everyone is speaking the same line that next target is going to be Bengal, but everyone is very, thrilled about the results that Bihar has given NDA, and, each and every one of them, we had seen the flavors of Bihar throughout the day in the BJP headquarters, be it the stage or be it the menu. There is makhana kheer being served to the party cadre right now here at the BJP headquarters, Swati.
Right, Pragya, stay on with us. Let me quickly also go across to Kritika, who's been capturing the mood at the BJP office. Well, it's an election machine. That's what they call the BJP. So there's no surprise if it has already started working for the polls ahead.
Well, absolutely. That was the key, in fact, poster that was being carried by a lot of workers. Bihar to sirf jhaki hai, Bengal abhi baki hai. In fact, we are hearing Jio Bihar ke Lala also play. So definitely all flavors of Bihar, as my colleague Pragya was also pointing out. Madhubani paintings on the flex as well. But here we will now speak to workers as well. Sir, आप ये बताइए, इतना बड़ा मैंडेट मिला है, कैसे आप देख रहे हैं इतनी बड़ी जीत के बारे में?
देखिए, मैं पहले सबसे पहले तो बिहार की जनता का दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा, जिन्होंने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को आशीर्वाद, जो प्यार, जो साथ दिया है, उसके लिए तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। ये विकास की जीत है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री लगातार जो देश को आज मजबूत शक्ति के रूप में, विश्व में एक ताकत के रूप में बढ़ा रहे हैं। दूसरी तरफ जो जंगल राज करना चाहते थे राहुल गांधी और तेजस्वी, उनको पूरी तरीके से नकार दिया है। देश का जो बिहार का जो युवा है, उन्होंने बता दिया है तो वो विकास के साथ है। मोदी जी लगातार सबका साथ, सबके विकास, सबके प्रयास के साथ।
विकास के साथ है सर, हम देख रहे हैं बिहार का फ्लेवर भी आज पूरा दिन बाहर लिट्टी पार्टी देखकर आए, मखाना खीर, इस सब के बारे में और बताइए।
देखिए, यही तो बिहार की पहचान है और पूरे देश के अंदर आज बिहार का जो पकवान है वो सब पसंद करते हैं। और आज देखेंगे दिल्ली हमारे कार्यालय पर भी पूरा आज देश दिखाई दे रहा है। सभी हमारे बिहार से लेकर देश के अलग अलग कोनों के जो कार्यकर्ता हैं वो आज यहाँ पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए पलके बिछा कर तैयार खड़े हैं उनके स्वागत के लिए।
Pragya and Kritika, keep on getting us more reactions. We're taking a very short break. On the other side, we'll get you a lot of reactions and the celebrations, pictures of the celebrations that are underway at the BJP office.